Bun is an incredibly fast all-in-one JavaScript toolkit for building, running, and testing JavaScript and TypeScript applications. 2 years ago, we released Bun 1.0, and since then, Bun's monthly downloads have grown over 47 times to now over 5 million monthly downloads. Every part of Bun is designed to be and to feel fast, from the runtime to the package manager to the test runner and to the bundler. And today, we're introducing Bun 1.3. We're pushing the limits of hardware performance, and we're making building with JavaScript faster and simpler. We've taken all the feedback from teams running Bun at scale. And in Bun 1.3, we've made improvements that make Bun even more stable, more compatible, and more production ready than ever before. If you're migrating your production workloads to Bun, send us an email.
Bun is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with modern hardware and JavaScript. In Bun 1.3, we integrated JavaScript Core's garbage collector directly with Bun's event loop. This yields a 100 times reduction in idle CPU usage and a 40% reduction in idle memory usage for common production workloads. Lower idle CPU and memory usage means reduced hosting costs.
But Bun isn't just about performance. Bun is designed to be a drop-in replacement for Node.js. And since Bun 1.2, we've doubled down on Node.js compatibility. We've added an additional 800 new tests from the Node.js test suite that run on every single commit of Bun. And along the way, we contributed dozens of upstream tests to Node.js to improve their test coverage and reliability. If it works in Node and it doesn't work in Bun, then please file a GitHub issue in Bun's repository. It's our job to make sure everything that works in Node also works in Bun.
And adoptability has to extend beyond the Bun time. Today in Bun 1.3, we're introducing two of the most requested improvements to Bun install. First is seamless migration. Bun now automatically migrates lock files from npm, pnpm, and yarn to Bun's text-based lock file. This lets you switch from other npm package managers to Bun install with zero configuration and keep your resolved dependency versions intact. Second is isolated installs. A common problem in large monorepos is transitive dependencies leaking into packages that don't declare them. These phantom dependencies cause the classic issue where code works on your machine but breaks on others. In Bun 1.3, we're making isolated installs the default, eliminating phantom dependencies and making installs even faster than before. In production-grade monorepos, Bun's isolated installs are over 70 times faster compared to npm. Bun install is designed to work with existing Node.js projects. Switch from npm, pnpm, or yarn in one single command, Bun install. In Bun 1.3, we've added 6 new commands to Bun install. First is Bun update interactive. This command displays all available package versions and helps you choose which dependencies to update. Bun Y tells you why a package is installed by tracing which dependency pulled it in. Bun audit checks dependencies for security vulnerabilities, even after they've been installed. Bun info fetches package metadata from Node.js registries, pre-printing the manifest and additional useful information. Bun PM PKG makes it easy to get and set properties in package.json. And lastly, Bun PM version gives you a simple way to update your package version for a new release.
You can now import YAML files in Bun. This is great for configuration files, GitHub Actions, Kubernetes, and more. YAML imports are powered by Bun's built-in YAML parser, and we've also added support for YAML in hot reloading and Bun build. Bun's built-in SQL API now supports all 3 major relational databases: MySQL, SQLite, and Postgres. Our single SQL API now has automatic SQL injection prevention and drivers for all major relational databases. Bun now has a built-in Redis client, which means that you can connect to the world's most popular key-value store with 0 dependencies. It's fast, it's native, and it's as simple as importing Redis from Bun. Just get, set, and go.
Bun 1.3 comes with a big upgrade to Bun stability and reliability. Since 1.2, we've resolved over 2,000 GitHub issues, and have seen rapidly growing production adoption. Thousands of companies bet on Bun as their default, from small startups to Fortune 500 enterprises, and even the world's leading AI companies. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what companies building with Bun have to say.
When we started Cloud Code, we looked at a bunch of options for runtime. Bun was the winner hands down. It starts in like 3 milliseconds, and Python was like 15 times slower. For a CLI tool, That's the difference between an awesome user experience and something that feels sluggish.
At Midjourney, we use Bun's fast WebSocket server to efficiently publish millions of image generation notifications daily. Our production build time also went down, from minutes to milliseconds.
At Railway, we built our AI functions experience on Bun, and it's allowed users or Claude to deploy code in less than 1 second. And once it's deployed, it is crazy cheap. When customers switch to Bun, they save 60% or more on car insurance, on compute costs. And that's all before the changes in 1.3.
One of the best parts of Bun is its support for the Node.js ecosystem and its built-in tools. In Bun 1.3, all of the helpful APIs like S3 support, MySqueal, and the Bun shell work wherever you need them, including in frameworks like Next.js.
At Replit, Bun powers performance-critical infrastructure that concurrently connects hundreds of thousands of users and their agents to their containers. This enables any TypeScript developer to ship performant backend code.
Bun is fast and cute. Bun runs and builds RealOS, Baby Cursor, and all my new ideas with Cursor Agent. The cute dumpling paired with lightning fast DX just hits different.
We wouldn't have gotten here without our incredibly active community across Discord, across X, YouTube, and GitHub. Thanks to hundreds of people who contributed to Bun 1.3. And for Bun, this is still just the beginning. To explore everything new, head to bun.com/1.3. To install Bun, visit bun.com/download or run any of these commands. And for Bun, becoming the default runtime is still just the first chapter.